Today in the shop, we have a 2012 Jetta. Now it's in here because every time it goes over a bump, you hear a big clunk, and I bet I know the problem. The sway bar linkages are all worn out, so we're going to change them out with some simple tools. Here under the driver's side tire, we use our 18mm ratcheting wrench and some vice grips to loosen the nut that's holding the sway bar linkage at the bottom. The top side can be more difficult, and we're going to need a long breaker bar to break it free. There it goes. Then we'll use an 18mm socket and again some vice grips to finish her off. This is the second time this vehicle's been in for sway bar linkages. So this time around we're going to put in the Moog aftermarket sway bar linkages. These have a grease fitting, and that's great for service in the future. Back with the install, 18mm ratcheting wrench. And the nice thing about these Moog end links is you can get a wrench on the inboard side so you don't have to use vice grips. Now to the top, I'm working around the top of the tire, so it's a little bit harder. Now I'm just looking to snug them up, and I'll come back with a torque wrench later. Here we are working on the top. We've set our torque, and there's the click, and I can get it in on the bottom. It's a little tight there with the plastic shield. The torque setting for these Moog end links is 42 foot-pounds. And there we go. I'll clean off the grease fitting and squeeze in a little grease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe.